better air quality, lower energy bills, and quiet operation used to require ductwork and complicated installations. Now it only takes one wall and a compact, ductless design that fits almost anywhere. Meet Holtop's wall-mounted Ductless ERV. Just mount it on an exterior wall, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Holtop Ductless ERV begins with multi-stage filtration to ensure cleaner indoor air. A primary filter captures large particles, followed by an F5 filter that targets finer dust and airborne contaminants. For high-efficiency purification, a HEPA filter removes particles as small as 0.3 microns, while an activated carbon filter helps reduce odors and VOCs. At the core, two independently controlled EC fans manage intake and exhaust, delivering balanced ventilation with ultra-quiet operation as low as 22.6 decibels. A high-performance enthalpy heat exchanger allows for up to 82% sensible heat recovery, transferring heat and moisture between airstreams to reduce energy loss and stabilize indoor humidity. The system delivers adjustable airflow up to 88 CFM across 8-speed settings, offering precise control for different room sizes. Measuring just 17.7 by 26 inches, this compact unit is designed to fit easily on most exterior walls without requiring a mechanical room. It supports both side-mounted and back-mounted duct connections, making it highly adaptable to different wall layouts, floor plans, and retrofit conditions. Whether you're working with limited space or aiming for a clean, concealed installation, this unit offers the flexibility to make it work. Visit Holtop Canada for more info. Thank you for watching.